Another one of my favorite dim sum recipes is Char Siu Bao, and that's a barbecue pork bun. But I like to make mine in a sandwich version. I mean, I'm a mom now, and I'll tell you something, I don't have much spare time, but Jervehu and I still love to eat. So this really is a great make-ahead, overnight type of recipe. I'm just warming up my buns, and in the meantime, I'm gonna get marinating my pork butt. So it starts off with a wonderful sauce. And I would never make a tomato sauce or a pomodoro sauce without San Marzano tomatoes. The same way I would never make a dim sum recipe without some pre-made barbecue sauces that you can get right in your regular grocery store in the international aisle. This one here is a Char Siu sauce, and it's sweet, savory, even a little spicy, and it's gonna be the perfect base for my marinade. Now, I wanna heighten up these flavors just a little. I'm gonna need a little bit of honey for sweetness. And the honey is also gonna give me that sticky texture I'm looking for. Some soy sauce for saltiness. And of course, a little ginger. And I love to get a little bit of store-bought help and then turn it into my own, V-style. The smell that's coming up out of here, oh, this is gonna be good. My mouth is watering. And I decided to use pork butt for this recipe because it's fatty and meaty, and it's gonna absorb all of that marinade into this meat. Amazing. So good. And this needs to set into the fridge overnight just so that all of those flavors really get into that meat. I want maximum flavor. In the meantime, my buns are ready. Oh, they're so soft and fluffy. I've got a little surprise. Look at this. It almost looks like candied pork. That glaze, oh, is so good on this. Just like I promised, it's a little sticky, but full of flavor. Slow cooked in the oven makes the pork juicy and tender. This looks so good. And this is why it's so much fun to have sandwiches for brunch. And when I'm entertaining with sandwiches like this, I love to bring all the ingredients right to the table and have my guests build their own. I mean, look at that. Oh, that pork is so juicy. And of course, it needs a little extra hit of sauce right over top. Do you ever really have enough sauce? A little crunch and freshness from carrots and daikon. Some oniony flavor from some scallion. And I would be lying if I said I didn't also love the colors, the way this all comes together. For a little heat, some chili. Put as much as little as you like. And I would say that is the perfect sandwich. That rich, flavorful pork, the crunch from the veggies, that spiciness from the chili, and that soft, billowy bao. This is like a sensory overload.